Test. Cool. Alright, what is absolutely happening, guys? Today we're going to be talking about my Clone Wars outfit that I always wear. The one with the Clone Trooper helmet and the onesie. I think I'm going to do a video on it soon. Now I get back to the video. No problem. Set this down. I don't know how to change these, so. What? Why? Which one is it? What? I just... Okay, so I changed this one and changed the other one, which is right here. So there's these two. There's 4 upstairs. So if another one rings, then I'm gonna be super upset because that doesn't make any sense. Literally, I've changed 2 of them. Why do, like, that's where the sound is coming from, right? What the heck? They're both here. Okay, there's one in this room up here. I'm gonna get it. I think it's this one. Where is it? What? That literally came from my room. Okay. Take the battery out of this stupid thing. Oh my gosh! Okay, I'm gonna take out of this room. This is the last one that's upstairs, and this noise is definitely coming from upstairs. If I hear the ringing after taking this out, or whatever that noise is, I'm going to... It's broken? Be so upset. Whatever, okay. Cool. So, oh! Got this one, this one, this one, this one, all with the batteries taken out. Somehow, there's still noise coming from every single... Where'd it go? Oh, right here. Every single one of these things. Somehow there's still noise. And there are only 4 upstairs, and I keep hearing all 4 of them. I just don't know what... Come on. Okay, I'm going to just set this down and try to figure out... Oh my... It's this one! How do I get it to stop?
Hey everyone, it's Adam here. I'm going to show you 2 quick ways to stop the beep or the chirp on a smoke alarm. First thing you're going to want to do is take this off of the ceiling. You twist it counterclockwise and it'll pop off. You disconnect the wires here, you take out the battery, then you're going to hold down this test button. So that's dying out. And what that's going to do is drain any charge left inside. Hold this down for 15 seconds.
Okay.
15 seconds, it should reset. Also, once it's off, since you have it off, you should blow compressed air into it. This little device here.
What? Ah! Shut up! But it's the hallway that's It's not the smoke alarm that's beeping, obviously, it's the hallway. Shut up! Okay, I'm gonna put these back. It's green, so I think that's good. It's bent. Getting to you. Shut up! What? Why? Okay, this is the last one. Why? They're all on. One seems to still be doing the alarm. I don't know which one it is. All 4 of these are way too close together. I don't think it's this room. I'm gonna... Okay, is it in this room? Let's check. Well, it's not in this room. It's not in this room. No, it's this one. Are we sure it's this one? Let's close all the doors. Stand right next to it. still flashing red. Maybe it's the battery. But then stuff still beeps! Why? Now it sounds like it's a different one. Why?
No, I'm telling you, I've only got one in the hallway, it's chirping. So I told him, I said, okay, sir. I said, you know, this is my service call fee. And I'll tell you what, if I come out there and find out that your wires are chirping, I'll replace every smoke detector in your house for free. Well, we went out there, of course, the wires weren't chirping. There was a carbon monoxide detector down a little bit lower near the floor. And that's what was chirping.
Is that what this is? Oh my god. It might be this stupid thing. It is! Screw you! Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Good. I'm typically a very patient person, but you know, just like, come on!